How to change calories on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open the app. The app will be opened and appear in front of you like this MyFitnessPal app. You have to change the calories. Please consider more option and move on it. You can see here goals. Click on the goals here. Now you can see the nutrition goals and you can see here calories. Click on the calories. In this way you can write calories here, like I am going to write 129. Save it. In this way you can change calories on MyFitnessPal app. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.